All right, well, there is the traditional driveway approach over here, but I'm gonna go to Paul's house using the non-traditional approach. Let's see, I'm gonna go put in crawler gear. All right, did that. Now I am going to get this going, see if I can do this. Puts it at 3 miles per hour, 2 miles an hour. You can see it's in crawler gear. Hopefully doesn't mind that I'm kind of going through his woods here. I'm gonna try to make it to his truck. This is my friend Paul. Hopefully he'll be in a good mood. Seeing the Bronco versus being upset that I kind of took the non-driveway approach to his house. Still in crawler gear. I don't have my foot on anything there. So no clutch, no brake, no nothing. It's going 3 miles per hour. There's Paul. Let me see if Paul is happy or not. Okay, you're happy, right?
Yes, that's
all right.
fine.
Okay, all right. All right, so we're at Paul's. He helped me get the seat backs in, or the the roof in behind the seat backs there.
Mm-hmm.
And we're at his house, and this is his first time in the Bronco. The C is the crawler gear.
All right.
And you need to pull the collar, you know, like you would do reverse in a Ford Mustang or whatever.
Yep.
But then yes, exactly. It goes 3 miles an hour, and you may not even need, I was going up here without the brake or the clutch. It was just crawling at about 3 miles per hour up the hill.
Oh yes, that was the creeper gear that I had in my old F-150.
Not that one.
No, the old
All right, well, let's see this one for now. This one is still an old F-150, but it's not the one he's talking about. Here goes Paul. Watch out. All right, he's pretty serious, more serious than me. He's taking this very seriously now. All right, here he comes, I think. Unless he's just gonna drive off, we'll see. All right, there it is. So this is the reverse angle of the video that we saw before. Oh, he's doing like a slalom though. All right, looks like he's got it in crawler, but he may not be as patient as, oh no, he is. I think he's just doing crawler. He's waving, he's happy.
Exactly as advertised. Just crawls right up. No need to use the clutch and gas.
Cody really likes it, or he's just maybe he's jealous, waiting for Paul to get out of the car. Here's Paul's old F-150.
Going to turn, and you can see, look at that amazing car. Gonna go through all these potholes. My car definitely is not capable of this. I'm getting bit. So he is coming down through these potholes. on his way to hit me yet again. Wow. Serious. And I am now alone in this sus area in the woods, the wilderness. Look at that bird. Oh my god, there's a man in the background. I don't know if you guys can see. Just emerged from the woods. Okay. Well, car play and stopping the video.
Alright, I feel like I should go right into the potholes, but this is brand new, so maybe I shouldn't go too much into them. We'll see. Oh, I got a good one. Alright, now we're going into the regular gears.
Just getting mad because I don't have my seatbelt.
Alright. Alright, and we're at the end anyway, so it's good.
Thank you for watching.